Did you know people can be allergic to some really strange things? Allergies, as we know, are typically our body's overzealous responses to seemingly harmless things like pollen, dust, or certain foods. They cause us to sneeze, itch, or even break out in hives. Now, most of us are familiar with these common triggers, but what if I told you that there's a whole other world of strange and unusual allergies out there, things you wouldn't even think about? Starting off our countdown of unusual allergies, we have, drumroll please, an allergy to the cold. Yes, you heard it right. Some people are actually allergic to cold temperatures. It's called cold urticaria, and it's as bizarre as it sounds. Imagine breaking out in hives or experiencing swelling every time you step out into a chilly day or sip on a cold beverage. This condition might sound like a convenient excuse to avoid shoveling snow or jumping into a freezing pool, but for those who have it, it's a real and often uncomfortable challenge. There's even a recorded incident of a man who nearly lost his life to a severe reaction after jumping into a cold lake for a swim. So next time you complain about the winter chill, remember that for some it's not just an inconvenience, it's an allergy. And if you thought that was strange, just wait until you hear what's next. Still with us? Good, because we're only getting started. Moving on to number 4 in our countdown of strange allergies, we've got something that might make you reconsider your morning routine. Ever heard of aquagenic urticaria? It's an allergy to water. Yes, you heard it right, water. Imagine breaking out in hives every time you take a shower. Talk about a wake-up call. Let's dive into number 3. Now, this one's a real head-scratcher. It's an allergy to, drumroll please, the sun. This rare condition, known as solar urticaria, causes people to develop hives when exposed to sunlight. Forget sunscreen. These folks might need sunblock of a completely different kind. Who knew allergies could be so bizarre and yet so fascinating at the same time? Well, brace yourselves. We're almost at the end of our countdown. Can you guess what the top 2 unusual allergies might be? Here we are, the moment you've all been waiting for. Now, brace yourselves. The second most unusual allergy is to water. Yes, water. It's called aquagenic urticaria. And the most unusual allergy, drumroll please, is to the sun. Known as solar urticaria, this rare condition can cause severe reactions. Can you imagine being allergic to the very life-giving sun? So there you have it. 5 of the most unusual allergies out there. Who knew the human body could be so peculiar?